I just updated the latest GoPro firmware 1.52. This GoPro Hero 9 has been driving me nuts the past couple of weeks. Hopefully the update fixed most of the problem, if not all the problem. But when I started up the GoPro just now, it wasn't looking that convincing. Anyway, I'm going to fish later this evening at night, so I'm going to use the Hero 9 and see how it performs under low light conditions. Although GoPros and other action cams are not well known for shooting in low light conditions, so we'll see how things turn out. Catch you guys later. Just the sound of the jungle. A lot more insect sound at night. If you're wondering what just happened, I just switched back to the Hero 9 for comparison. Back to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just listen to all that sound coming from the jungle. Trying on the GoPro Hero 9 under low light conditions. I had 2 hits so far. The first one was lost it, and the second one came off very quickly. You get the net. All right. Thank you. One of the paku caught that evening. Wearing a headlamp would have helped. I haven't done any night fishing for some time and I've forgotten to pack one. I guess you can use the Hero 9 in low light conditions. Just don't set your expectations too high. Having some light source will help tremendously.